Hi everyone, it's me Lunatic and welcome back to my channel Lunatic Evolution Lab. This is a video about the update of 75 days medium challenge. As you can see, I'm at my village right now for an urgent family event, which is puja. I had to rush back to my village with my whole family, and we are here for a few more days, and I would be traveling back to my grandma's village again to another place, so I'll be traveling often. That's why I've decided to skip this challenge for about a week, and let's see when will I get back, because I have another puja to attend as well. It's a very busy schedule for this upcoming week, but I hope I'll be able to make it in another week. But as I always believe, everything happens for a reason, and I'm so delusional to believe it happens for the better or the best cause. So staying here, I've been able to detox myself from toxic social media addiction that I previously had. I used to doom scroll for hours, like mindlessly watching shorts and reels, and it had affected my concentration a lot. And though I could not continue my 75 days medium challenge, staying here has made me feel very relaxed and away from all the chaos, not just the environmental chaos of the city, but the chaos in my mind and my body. I've been able to have a good quality time with my family and also with myself. And the best part is being with nature. I am a huge nature lover, and staying here has made me feel so much peaceful and so in tune with myself. So I'm happy, but I hope I'll be able to make it in the upcoming next week. I'll be updating you guys.